Okay, one, two.
A heart full of thanks to the Lord will I bring. In praise of your wonderful deeds I will sing. In you will I join and exultingly cry. Your name I will praise with a song, O Most High. My enemies turn and are scattered in fear. They stumble and perish because you are near. For you have defended my right and my cause. You sat on your throne, a right judge by your laws. Rebuked are the nations, the wicked destroyed. Their memory perished, their dwelling place void. Enthroned and established, the Lord shall he reign. The peoples to judge and the right to maintain. The Lord is a refuge for all the oppressed. Your name do they know who trust you and distressed. For never, O Lord, did you ever forsake the ones who have sought of yourself to partake. Sing praise to the Lord, oh the mighty deeds tell of him who has chosen in Zion to dwell. For he who the blood of the murdered doth seek remembers, forgets not the cry of the weak. Behold my affliction, be gracious, O Lord, and out from death's gates cause me to be restored, that I in the gates of dear Zion may raise a song of salvation to show forth your praise. The sins of the nations their ruin have wrought, their own evil doing destruction have brought. In this the Lord's justice renownedly stands, that sinners are snared in the work of their hands. The wicked, the nations to shoal they shall fall, forgetting the one who is God over all. But never forgotten's the plight of the poor, the hope of the meek shall not perish for sure. Arise, Lord, in judgment, the nations to fight. Let mortals no longer prevail in your sight. O Lord, to the nations in terror appear. Remind them they're mortals and teach them to fear.